Ben Crittenden from Stark Restaurant in Broadstairs, and today I'm going to be cooking a beef, beetroot and wasabi dish. The beef I'm going to be cooking today is bladed beef, which I've trimmed up and marinated in garlic thyme with a little bit of bovril just to give it an extra bit of beefiness. So I'm just going to finely dice some shallot. So I'm just going to peel this beetroot, which has been cooked in water till it's soft and then roasted hard in the harrison so it chars up on the outside. Peel it off, should give it a nice smoked flavour. So I'm just going to add some garlic to the beetroot, toasted linseeds, give it a slight nuttiness, some salt, black pepper, a little bit of Cabernet Sauvignon vinegar, a touch of rapeseed oil. I'm just adding some wasabi leaves just to bring a bit of colour to the salsa. Give it a little mix. Just puff in some buckwheat, which has been cooked for about 10 minutes. Dehydrated for 2 hours, fried in crazy hot oil, just to puff it up. Just drain off the oil, season with a little bit of salt. Just going to season the beef with a bit of salt and pepper. Just going to sear the beef off, put in a bit of butter. Just going to give it a quick sear on both sides. So I'm just going to put the beef into the harrison oven. It's going to be in the oven for 2.5 minutes. I'm just going to grate the wasabi in a circular motion, which creates a reaction which gives you the flavour. Quite a nice natural sweetness to it. So the beef's just come out of the harrison oven, been rested for about 10 minutes. Portion it off, ready for plating. Still nice and pink. So I'm just going to brush a bit of beetroot ketchup on top of the beef, beetroot juice, a bit of garlic, thyme, salt and pepper, a bit of Cabernet Sauvignon vinegar, reduced down and thickened with Ultratexx. Stick some buckwheat to the top, which gives it a nice texture. I'm just going to place the beef in the centre of the plate. I'm going to take beetroot salsa and just a little bit here as well. A couple of drops of beetroot ketchup. I'm going to pop wasabi up here. Fresh wasabi leaves. And a little bit of beef sauce. Bones have been roasted in the harrison just to give it a smoky background note. So that's smoked beef with beetroot and fresh wasabi.